Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can correct your email replies or how to correct your email grammars with the help of Microsoft Copilot. As you know that Microsoft Copilot is an AI companion that can assist you in various tasks, including checking your email grammar. Many things we can do with the help of this tool. So today we are going to see how we can correct our email replies and email grammars with the help of Microsoft Copilot. So first thing first, how to access the Copilot. You must have a Windows 11 with the latest version, and on the right bottom you will see Copilot in Windows preview. If you click on it, you will get this kind of a interface. I recommend you to keep on modes precise. Below that, if you want to sign in, you can click here sign in. You can log in with the Hotmail account. So we are good to go without signing in, but for the better and longer conversation as stated here, you have to sign in. So first thing, we will look here how to write a professional email reply. I have this text which I want to send to my supplier. I will copy and here I will write correct the following email reply. Shift enter, and then I will paste the text, and then I will click on submit. As soon as I click on submit, the process will start, and here you can see the Copilot start responding to my text. Once it's stopped, I will explain all. This is what I have typed, and this is what the Copilot suggested me. So here what Copilot suggested us, I would be greatly appreciated if you could add the technical team to this email thread. This will enable us to communicate directly with them and prepare any prerequisites if necessary. Thank you for your prompt attention on this matter. This paragraph is more professional as compared to the second thing which you can do with the help of Copilot is how to extract a text from image. Suppose I have this image with the, some text over there. So what I will do here, I will click on add an image, upload from this device, and then I will locate this image and click open. So here I will write extract the text from this image and then click submit. So here you can see the Copilot started extracting the text from the image, and it will give us from start till end. Stopped, and now we will open the image. So from here you can just simply copy and you can paste anywhere in Notepad or Word. So that's the end of today's video. See you in the next video.